Hello friends, we are here with a very good nice hairstyling video and we learn different ways to hairstyle our hair, and this is how we are trying to make something like this cute bun look over here. And this is a very good hairstyle that one can try as a party look and make it so easily in the lengthy hair and pin up here. Now it's time to make something in a straight hair, and this is how we have clutched it out and making this nice plaits over here in such a way so that after making all the plaits we can clutch it up and make it. Next we are trying to take the clutch and trying to roll our hair like it in this way so that it looks something like this cute plaits over here having this nice patterns on the top, and here we have made a bun. Next we are taking again our silky hair, and this is how we are trying to put the plaits over here and making the two beautiful plaits out here and folding it out further in such a way so that it makes another cute bun. Now it's another hairstyle that we will make, and this is how we are trying to make a nice pony look over here in such a way so that it will create a nice pattern bun over here, and this is how we have rolled it out and clutched it further. Now we are creating another hairstyle, and this is the nice plaits that we are creating using our silky hair over here, and this is ready. Next we are trying some other hairstyle, and this is how we are designing so cutely using this nice rubber bands and designing the plaits over here in such a way so that it will create a nice cute bun when we'll make it. Now we are making another hairstyle for a nice cute daily look, and this is the plaits that we have made and fold it out further so that we can make a nice easy bun for our casual look and pin it up. Now it's another hairstyle that we will make, and this is the lovely foldings that we are doing with our hair and making the plaits over here, trying 3 plaits over here and folding it further and clutching it out. Here's making our next style, and this is how we are pinning it up and folding it further so that we can design a nice bun look over here and cover it out further with the clips. Now it's time to make another beautiful hairstyle look over here, and this is how the plaits are made so nicely, taking out some of the hairs and making something like this look over here and pin it up further. Now we are making another hairstyle, and this is how we are pinning it up and making something like this cute plaits over here, trying to cover it further and make it. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how nice plaits we have given and tried to make the nice foldings in such a way so that it creates a cute bun. Next it's another small part of the hair that we have taken and give this nice zigzag patterns to our hair by folding and putting the hairs inside that and making the plaits further. This is how we are trying to create a cute casual bun.